out, guys. Got this dope balcony, big pool, lots of property. We got some new trails going up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. What up? All right, so as the title says, YFZ 450R absolutely dusts KTM 350 SXF. Me and Anthony went in the woods and, well, here's the footage. Check it out. Frickin', she's got pepper. What up? Gotta fight off the cancer. Like, you don't get cancer if you smoke cigarettes. Got Anthony out here today on the KTM 350 SXF, and we're out here on the 450 YFZ R Special Edition. We're gonna get some cinematic shots, or whatever they call it, on the tripod out here in the woods, doing some Enduro MX mix, and just, you know, frickin' ripping shit. Okay, Tony Boney's in the building on the fucking orange. You can't see him, but he's right there. Yeah, just make sure you come up here flying, because you're on camera, baby.
Baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations, and I ain't fishing.
All right, well, it is a gorgeous day. That was a really fun ride. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and yeah, I'm gonna try to make some new trails here, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Drop a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more. Yeah, all your support matters.